Welcome, woodworking enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll explore cutting-edge machinery that's revolutionizing the industry. From the Morelli M100's precision to the Frontier OS-27's stationary prowess and Blue Elephant's industrial-scale wonders to the VST-101's cutting modes. Discover the innovative WEN 3920 double-sided saw and delve into the world of CNC machines reshaping sculpting traditions. Stay tuned for insights into these powerful tools, offering efficiency, precision, and versatility in the world of woodworking. Let's dive in. Modern technology enables the resolution of intricate tasks in woodworking and other material processing with just a few clicks. The focus here is on a numerically controlled machining center designed for drilling and milling. According to the manufacturer, this stands out as the sole machine of its kind in the market, offering an unparalleled quality-to-price ratio. The software driving this innovative machine is referred to as SuiteMaster, featuring specialized modules for each production cycle. Considerable effort has been invested in optimizing space in its design. Notably, there is no perimeter fence, allowing access to the working area from any side. Remarkably, the Morelli M100 isn't limited to wood. It can also process materials such as plastic. This broadens the scope of production possibilities, making it a versatile solution. Furthermore, the machine is adaptable to a company's specific needs. For instance, it can be employed in processing panels or various elements of furniture, kitchens, or even windows. In terms of dimensions, the machine can handle parts with a width ranging from 7 to 9 inches, providing flexibility in the production process. Sawmills, such as the one showcased on the screen, boast a stationary design that enhances their capacity to efficiently cut through sizable rounds. The Frontier OS-27, a product of the innovative minds at the American company Norwood, is expertly engineered for the precision cutting of both hardwood and softwood. This equipment is particularly noteworthy for its ability to handle logs with a diameter not exceeding 27 inches, offering a robust solution for a variety of wood processing needs. Furthermore, the Frontier OS-27 excels in producing boards with a maximum width of 22 inches after the processing is complete. Norwood, a leading force in mobile sawmill technology, has lent its expertise to the design of the Frontier OS-27. This sawmill stands out not only for its exceptional cutting capabilities, but also for its time-saving advantages. In comparison to other sawmills on the market, the Frontier OS-27 significantly reduces the time required for a technician to transform a log into quality lumber. This time, efficiency is a crucial factor for maximizing productivity in wood processing operations. Beyond its technical specifications, the Frontier OS-27 represents a testament to the ongoing innovation in the field of mobile sawmills. The careful design and engineering by Norwood reflect a commitment to delivering top-notch equipment that meets the evolving demands of the wood processing industry. Whether dealing with hardwood or softwood, the Frontier OS-27 is positioned as a reliable and efficient tool, contributing to the success of woodworking professionals and businesses alike. At an industrial scale, numerically controlled machines like the one featured here are employed for precision machining of wood, along with the application of diverse patterns and designs to the surface. Crafted by the Chinese company Blue Elephant, the 2140 ATC boasts impressive power, enabling it to work seamlessly with various materials. This versatile machine can process wood, panels, acrylic, organic glass, MDF, plastic, copper, and even aluminum. Its applicability extends to companies involved in the production of doors, windows, diverse furniture such as tables and chairs, and even musical instruments. The 2140 ATC, classified as a drilling machine, stands out with its expansive working area, contributing to heightened work efficiency. The manufacturer underscores its wide-ranging engraving capabilities, facilitated by interchangeable knives, offering versatility in design and application. For small businesses with limited space, the Alexiac 6090 presents an ideal solution. This CNC engraving machine is adept at crafting classic and antique furniture, executing intricate wood carvings, and producing an array of souvenirs such as jewelry boxes and decorative sculptures. Moreover, its capabilities extend to manufacturing nameplates, badges, emblems, and billboards. The increasing demand for machines equipped with numerical control software is evident in companies worldwide. These machines, applicable to wood, plastics, and metals, facilitate quick and efficient processing with minimal operator involvement, ensuring heightened safety levels. The accompanying video demonstrates the creation of a sculpture using a CNC machine, a task that, just a few decades ago, required the expertise of a master sculptor dedicating several hours to precise and meticulous machining. In today's technological landscape, modern CNC technology has advanced to the point where sculptures of any size and complexity can be created. The process begins with designing the product's appearance in a program, where the trajectory, motion, and cutters are set on a virtual model. Subsequently, the machine takes over the work. Notably, the manufacturer has the flexibility to choose the material for the finished sculpture. The only requirement is that the selected cutter or cutting tool must align with the hardness of the material being processed. This evolution in technology has democratized sculpture creation, making it more accessible and efficient in contemporary manufacturing processes. Presenting the VST-101 CNC turning and milling machine, notable for its automatic change of cutting modes, minimizing tool changeover time. This design feature empowers the company to manufacture parts of complex configurations with high performance and repeatability. The VST-101 is versatile, catering to both large and small parts with precision guided by Highwind from Taiwan. The Highwind guides offer high precision, load capacity, low friction, smooth operation, and minimal noise. The robust design ensures a long lifespan with high motion accuracy, supporting high-speed motion with low traction. A noteworthy feature is the 30-inch thick MDF sheet work table, providing several advantages when processing non-metallic materials. For instance, workpieces with screws can be directly attached to the table material. In cases of surface damage or unscheduled cuts, the table surface can be resurfaced. Furthermore, when leveling is no longer possible, the table can be swiftly and easily replaced. This highlights the machine's adaptability and durability in various manufacturing applications. The WEN 3920 double-sided saw draws inspiration from the sewing machine's working principle, making it user-friendly for those familiar with such mechanisms. This uniquely designed saw features a blade capable of moving in two directions, enhancing throughput and allowing work at various angles. The cutting speed is adjustable, ranging from 400 to 1600 strokes per minute, and it facilitates angled cuts with the work table tilting up to 45 degrees. Despite its compact dimensions, the WEN 3920 excels in cutting wood, handling thicknesses of up to 2 inches. Noteworthy features include a robust iron base, adjustable lighting, an air pump, and multiple blades. These attributes enable the WEN 3920 to effortlessly handle various woodworking tasks, producing a wide array of products, including intricate shapes quickly and safely. Thank you for being part of this enlightening exploration into the latest advancements in woodworking technology. We've delved into tools that enhance precision, efficiency, and versatility, shaping the future of woodworking. From the democratization of sculpture creation with CNC machines to the adaptability of cutting-edge equipment, we've covered it all. Stay tuned for more insights and innovations. Subscribe and join us in crafting your path to success.